We coming back in our old houses, and today we're painting one greenhouse. First I want to show these colors I put it together from Solo Goya. It is German brand of very affordable, very pretty affordable, but student grade colors. And we're starting with yellow. I will spritz everything because I did put them together like this. So I want to take yellow and paint part of the sky, places where clouds will be. Like this. And then we will take brush and take off a little bit of this yellow. Now I want this color and add color of the sky here. This house is like on the hill. So behind is just a blue sky. Now I want to blend more on this yellow with this blue. Oh my God, can you see what I did? Oh Jesus, no. Okay, now this we will fix this. So now I will add bright orange in the middle of these clouds. Like this. And now we get some crazy, interesting sky. So now till this dries, I just want to have some blues in the roof. So I will take this. This is some indigo, something like indigo blue. And later we will add black on the roof. I want the undertone to be blue. Also on this chimney. Then the rest of the house, I want this light green. So I will take water and put it all around the walls. Now the windows. The windows will be white and inside the windows will be blue. like this. Now the black on the roof I will put with this super long brush, and we start from the chimney, so it will be something like this. Then the trees. Trees will be dark brown, and I want to start from these branches. And then one mossy green here. And now I want to add the darker green everywhere where now I'm adding more water here. Where I think probably water is dropping. Now more black on the window, on the roof, and the chimney. And that is that. Now we drying everything, and maybe a little bit of water here and there to just make these branches more alive. Now I want to add a little bit of gray, so I will mix this black with water, and I will just put it here and there. more black into the trees. Now we're waiting for everything to dry, and then we will add outline. Now we just a little bit adding white on the roof on some places, and then this black for the chimney. Roof is old, then around the windows. And doors are Gothic and old, so they have some embellishments, especially here at the top. And that is that. The windows are super crazy, but never mind. I'm happy how this came out. Pretty scary house. I was thinking only the sky looks a little bit happy. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Tell me how do you like it, and see you in the next one. Bye.